Hey, before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you love quick tips and free tools. So, you want Photoshop for free? Well, I've got something for you. You could go hunting for cracked versions, but that's risky, illegal, and honestly, kind of a pain. But what if I told you there's a site that looks and works almost exactly like Photoshop, and it's completely free, no install, no sketchy downloads? Just go to Google and search Photopea. That's Photopea. Click. The first link, boom, you're in. It runs right in your browser and supports PSDs, layers, brushes, text tools, all the good stuff. It's like Photoshop's cool younger cousin who doesn't charge rent. Perfect for students, casual designers, or anyone who just needs powerful tools without the price tag. Seriously, try it out. Drop a comment if you knew about Photopea, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more free tool finds. See ya!